Wake up your AI senses. Today, Google's latest multimodal powerhouse preview, Pinterest's smarter style search, and a 32 billion parameter code generator that writes CUDA kernels in multi-turn sessions. Let's jump into AI news today. Google just unveiled a preview of Gemini 2.5 Pro, optimized for web app creation with built-in code transformation and advanced multimodal reasoning. In internal benchmarks, it scaffolded React components from wireframes, converted sketch notes into HTML, CSS layouts, and even debugged type errors on the fly. Developers report 30% fewer context switches between docs and editor thanks to its natural language function suggestions. Over at Pinterest, the new visual search upgrade adds dynamic filters so you can zero in on specific patterns, colors, and silhouettes. Launching first in women's fashion, it lets you highlight a fabric swatch or tap a shoe heel to instantly explore matching outfits and similar styles. Behind the scenes, Pinterest's AI analyzes texture embeddings and fashion ontologies to rank results by trend relevance and personal taste signals. Cognition's Kevin 32B just raised the bar on code generation with reinforcement learning-driven multi-turn planning. Trained to optimize CUDA kernels, Kevin 32B benchmarks show a 2x speedup on matrix multiply loops and a 15% boost in numerical accuracy over single-turn models. It uses intermediate feedback loops to fine-tune each code snippet, correcting boundary checks and memory alignment in real time. Shifting to privacy, a new guide shows how to train models without GDPR traps. Use strong anonymization, pseudonymize personal IDs, and bake in data subject rights from day one. When anonymization isn't possible, enforce encryption in use and immutable audit logs to prove compliance under Article 5 and 25 of the regulation. In the art world, Christiane Paul at the Whitney argues that AI-generated images only become true art when grounded in a conceptual narrative and collaborative curation. She contrasts today's diffusion-based tools with Cohen's Aaron program, highlighting the need for artists and engineers to co-design frameworks that preserve digital works for posterity. Quantization just got a major upgrade with AutoRound, a post-training method that applies optimal rounding schemes to weight matrices. By preserving critical bit patterns, AutoRound keeps 4-bit models within 1% of full precision accuracy while cutting model size by 75%. On the analytics front, a new survey explores how LLMs adapt to time series data using cross-modal alignment, context fusion, and domain adapters for tasks from anomaly detection to demand forecasting. Chain of draft emerges as a minimalist reasoning strategy. By distilling each thought step into concise anchor points, it matches chain of thought accuracy with half the token usage. For data privacy teams, the Synthetic Data QA framework on GitHub provides tools to benchmark synthetic datasets using distributional metrics and embedding-based similarity scores. Switching gears to vision, DDT introduces a decoupled diffusion transformer where a standard transformer encoder feeds into a diffusion-based decoder, achieving ImageNet FID scores competitive with specialized GANs. NVIDIA's new radio embedding models on Hugging Face map RF spectrograms and visual scenes into joint embeddings, matching SIGLIP's multimodal performance without extra pre-training. In agriculture, John Deere's See and Spray uses computer vision and robotics to target individual weeds at 30 miles per hour, cutting chemical use by 80% and boosting yield quality across millions of acres. Before we go, Anthropic has unlocked real-time web search for all paid Claude plans, giving every subscription live data pulls and source citations. And little language lessons on Google experiments with tiny lesson quizzes, slang hangouts, and WordCam to make language practice deeply personal and context-aware. If these updates fired up your curiosity, hit like, subscribe for your daily AI briefing, and ring the bell so you never miss a breakthrough. Drop your top story in the comments, and I'll see you tomorrow on AI News Today.